Hello everybody, this is a tardigrade, and this is one of the largest tardigrades I've ever found. This is 100x, we're going to go to 40 here for a moment. When I first came across this tardigrade, due to its size and sluggishness, well actually at first it wasn't moving at all, I thought this was an exuvia. I thought it was the shed cuticle of a tardigrade, a husk. And by the time I got my camera ready to take some shots of it, it had started to move. So here we are now, back to 100x. This tardigrade is actually big and alive, and we're going to get some good detail here. You can see the claws very nicely. And this is a 100x again. I can't do 400x right now. There's no cover slip. This is just an open droplet on my slide. I sampled this from some winter moss. I just took a handful off of a rock on a day where it had thawed out a little. It was probably still, 0 degrees Celsius, 1 degree Celsius. Snow everywhere. But I grabbed some moss, and I've had it inside in a shot cup for a couple days. My previous rotifer videos were actually filmed from the same sample, although now the sample sat indoors for a couple days, and you can really see there's some more mature life in here. Wow. Very excellent. Let's get some detail on that mouth part there. Oh, very cool. Very cool. Alright, well that's, I think, all I want to bother you guys with for today. I just wanted to show off this big tardigrade. I'm probably going to be watching this for a while now, see if it does anything interesting. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any ideas of places you'd like me to look, things you'd like to see under a microscope, or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, guys.